Hello, my name is Sadiq Zafarian, 3D general artist specializing in grooming and level design in Unreal Engine 5. Welcome to the Basic to Advanced Yeti course. This course is divided into 7 chapters. Chapter 1, Yeti Nodes. In the first chapter, we get acquainted with grooming tools and create our first graph. We work with all the Yeti nodes and perform a simple render setup in Arnold. Chapter 2, Expressions. In the second chapter, we learn about interesting operators and functions. Don't worry, we're not going to learn programming. Just a number of useful functions that improve our workflow. These functions help us, for example, to select a percentage of hairs or create a variation in hair length. Chapter 3, Techniques. This chapter includes 4 techniques that we will use in the following chapters. We learn how to scatter a mesh over fibers, interact between nodes, use variables, and perform clumping in the style of skin. Chapter 4, Texturing. It's amazing how easily we can have Yeti data in Hypershade. We use UDIM textures and even apply a displacement map on fibers. Chapter 5, Cheetah. This is the main chapter of the course where we groom a cheetah together. We start by gathering references and learn some tips to speed up our workflow. We use Substance Painter for the density map and create a melanin map. After creating the body grooming, we move on to grooming the tail, forecast, ear, and face details. I test render at every stage because rendering takes time, but it's an important part of the process as it allows us to monitor our progress. Finally, we paint some mesh as raindrops on fibers and use user variables and switch nodes for some parts of our graph. Chapter 6, Animation. In this chapter, we learn about the motion node and move on to simulating realistic hair. It's great that we can use Maya fields to control the simulation. We also learn how to transfer our graph between different projects and send our graph data to other artists and team members. Chapter 7, Yeti to UE5. In the last chapter, we focus on Unreal Engine. We learn how to transfer our grooming to UE5 and set it up in the engine. Then we try to optimize our grooming so that we can use it in films and games. We also add a simple hair material to our grooming. I have tried to gather all my data over the years and present it in a condensed course. I hope you enjoy it.